This hack is for the manifester who says, look, I'm tired of waiting. I've run out of patience. I want something that's going to work and work fast. This hack speeds up manifestation. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking that bell icon. And thank you for that thumbs up. It really helps us with the algorithm to reach more people with an empowering message of the law of attraction. Hey, listen. If you haven't registered yet for Master Manifesting 2022, wow, now is the time. We're about a month away at the time of this recording. It will be December 21st, the winter solstice. Traditionally, one of the best days for going within yourself, finding out who you are, pulling out the pain, pulling out the limiting beliefs and the doubts, and moving forward to making 2022 the best year of your life. Last year, we had to turn away nearly 1,000 people. So register now. MasterManifesting2022.com. High flyers, within the infinite field of potential or the quantum field, everything you desire is already present. This incredible manifesting hack is going to help you manifest fast because what you desire is already here. The author Kevin Michaels says, small shifts in your thinking can lead to massive alterations in end results, moving threads, parallel worlds to achieve your dreams. In other words, high flyers, because you are a co-creator of your reality, it's not going to take a massive change, a massive shift, just small shifts to get what you want. But more importantly, to do it quickly. High flyers, it's important to understand that you are the cosmos, and the cosmos is you. The cosmos is within us. We are all made of star stuff. Carl Sagan. So high flyers, what you deeply desire, it already exists. It's already present. It's simply a matter of you moving into alignment with what you desire. And once you are in alignment, what you desire will show up in your life almost instantly. I know I can hear some of you right now. You're saying, look at Robert, I don't believe it. All the evidence points the opposite direction. You may reach a point where the 3D reality in which you are living in and experiencing says, no, what you desire is not going to happen. You're not going to manifest it. You're never going to have it. But if you choose to believe that reality, that's the reality that becomes empowered. But that reality has no power over your co-creative reality. More important, high flyers, when everything is looking like it's not going to happen, that's when the miracle takes place. I had a client several years back, 17 months, not a call from her boyfriend. He ghosted her for 17 months. And she chose out of her own will to believe with her heart and soul that the man that she desired was already hers. And one night, her and I were on a phone call, and he called her right at that moment. And then she came back on the line and said, well, he said he just accidentally butt dialed me. I said, I don't believe it. I think you should call him back. Suggest getting together for a glass of wine or something. They did that, and that was years ago now. They sent me gifts afterwards. they have a baby, they are married, they have a loving relationship. This is the kind of things that happen. The 3D world says no, but your inner spirit, who you are, your co-creative powers, say yes. Often, when everything looks bleak and dark, the sun is preparing to rise. The sun is your miracle, and it's rising in your life. So before we get on with the hack, here's what you need to do first. Get yourself in a state of allowing, get yourself in a state of trusting the process. Get yourself in a state of absolute knowingness. Knowing. I just know. I don't know how. I just know. This state will prepare you for the astonishing manifestation hack that I'm about to share with you here in a moment. But you kind of have to get in this state first. Are you willing to allow this manifestation into your life? Are you willing to trust it? Do you know it's a certainty? Some law of attraction gurus will say that the law of attraction premise is that what you expect is what you will receive. I don't think that's good enough because I've heard a lot of people say, I expect this or I expect that to happen. Or they'll say, I expected that to happen and it didn't happen. That's not it. It's not simply expectation, it's absolute expectation. Absolute expectation fuels the manifestation process, but it's absolute. It's a certainty. That's the key. You need to be absolutely certain, absolute expectation that, like the sun rising following the darkness or spring following winter, that your manifestation follows your intention. When you have this level of absolute certainty, negative thoughts are unable to reach you. So let me just say this. If you're having some negative thoughts or doubts or fears, you're not in a state of absolute certainty. High flyers, when you're in a state of absolute certainty, you're in a state of perfect gnosis, which simply means I know that I know that I know. Now, high flyers, let's get into how the hack works. Number one, choose to invest in your highest level of expectation, your highest level of expectation regarding your intention and what it is you desire to manifest. Number two, expect what you desire to show up in your life quickly, even if it takes a miracle. As the late Wayne Dyer said, and I agree with this, people that believe in miracles have miracles happen in their life all the time. And people who don't believe in miracles never seem to see the miracles. They never seem to have any. Believe that what you desire, what you want, is coming into your life quickly, even if it takes a miracle. Now, high flyers, write this down. Don't type it out on your computer. I want to use your whole nervous system. I want to use parts of your brain that aren't used when you type on the computer. I want you to write this out. Write it down. I am absolutely certain I already have manifested, and you fill in the blank. I have already manifested a new relationship. I have already manifested a new home. I have already manifested a new car. I want you to feel so certain that you're going to write that sentence down 9 times. 9 times in a row. While you are writing this power incantation down, I want you to feel it. I want you to see it as if it's already present. I want you to sit in the energy. Just experience the energy of having what you absolutely desire. I want you to live in the mentality of absolute expectation. Next, high flyers, you must take inspired action. You've written it down 9 times. Now, you're going to take inspired action. You're going to make a phone call. You're going to write a letter. You're going to buy a book. You're going to buy an audio program. You're going to watch a YouTube video, but you're going to do something that moves you closer to your intention. Finally, high flyers, I want you to prepare to receive. Put yourself in a receptive state and know that what you have created, what you have brought from one reality to another into your reality, is now physically present. You're absolutely certain of it. There's no doubt. You're living in total and complete absolute expectation. So prepare to receive it. Do this hack. You're going to be amazed. I want you to share the results down below because this is an astonishing hack that works. I mean, it seriously will work for you. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.